back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, I want to welcome you. If you're returning, I want to say thank you for your support. Now in today's video, we'll be doing some orange glazed ham. It was brought to my attention that in the Caribbean, the spiral ham isn't very popular. So I decided to do a picnic ham, for those of you who can't find the spiral ham recipe that I did the other day. So here I have the ham already washed and prepped, and I'll be using some orange juice, some fresh oranges. I have some honey, brown sugar, some orange marmalade, or if you have orange jam, you can use that. I have some cloves, orange zest, and some butter. Let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is remove this thick piece of skin from on the ham. Now this thing is thick and tough like shoe leather. You do not want to eat this. So you want to remove it. It's very easy to remove. You just gently pull it off, and then we will just discard this. Next, you want to take a knife and just go ahead and score the ham. You want to score it in one direction, and then you want to go over to the opposite direction, making like a diamond shape. And once we're done, we'll go ahead and just place our cloves into the ham. You can place as much or as little as you like, but I feel like ham is not a real ham without cloves. You need that clove flavor in there for it to be like Christmas. So once we're done, I will show you guys the next step. So while we're doing this next step, you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And you want to place your orange slices at the bottom of the pan. Then we'll add some orange juice. This orange flavor will be infused into that ham, and it will be absolutely delicious. Then you want to place your ham in the baking pan, cover it with some foil wrap tightly, and then we'll place it in the oven for about 1 hour and 40 minutes. Now the cooking time depends on the size of your ham. This is an 8-pound ham I have here, so I will cook it for about 1 hour and 40 minutes, and then I'll show you all the next step. While the ham is in the oven, let's make our glaze. We'll add some butter to the skillet, and then we'll go in with the rest of our ingredients. We'll add our orange juice, our brown sugar, the honey. We'll add the orange marmalade. Now what I did was went in with my hand blender, and I blend the orange marmalade a little because it was a bit chunky, and I wanted to loosen it up a bit, so that's what I did. So you want to add them in, and then I will go in with about half teaspoon of clove, ground clove, and we will mix this all together and allow it to reduce until it thickens. Once it thickens, you turn the heat off and set aside. After about 1 hour and 40 minutes, this is what a ham is looking like. Now what I'll do is just drain off some of this liquid because I don't want it in the pan. So I'll drain it off, and then what we'll do is glaze the ham. You want to glaze it really well with that glaze, and then we'll place it back into the oven for 30 more minutes. This time you want to bump your heat up to 425, and we'll allow that glaze to caramelize nicely and put some color onto this ham. You will baste the ham every 10 minutes for that 30 minutes. And this is me glazing the ham for a second time. We will place it back in the oven, and then I'll glaze it one more time, and I'll show you all the finished product. And here you have it, orange glazed picnic ham. This was absolutely amazing. The flavors were bold, potent, and so delicious. The ingredients are super easy to find. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements that I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, and enjoy.